So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Then you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for the device installed. And now for the next step, you want to head over to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++. You want to scroll down. You want to get the one for your operating system. I'm on 64-bit, I'm going to be getting this one. To know which one you need, you want to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to look next to system type. It's going to be telling you. I'm on 64-bit, I'm going to be getting that one. If your one says 86 or 32, you want to get the other one. So I'm on 64-bit, I'm going to be getting this one. And then once it's been downloaded, we're now going to click on it. And then click on I agree. And then click on install. And then click on yes. Wait for this to load. If you get this, you want to click on yes. Wait for this to load. And now it should be saying setup successful. And then click on close. And now for the next step, you want to head over to the next link which will be down below in the description to download DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. We're going to scroll down, choose your language, and then click on download. Now we're going to click on this. We're going to install it. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to click on I accept, and then click on next. You can untick this, and then click on next. Wait for this to load, and then click on next again. Wait for this to load. Wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, you want to click on finish. Now you just want to restart your computer, and then the phone should be fixed.